You wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? I look good, and you mad? No, I'm playing, but you know I look good, and you mad? I look good. Your man want me, but I don't want him. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be installing this 4x4 closure wig, 22-inch body wave from Junoda hair. You know what I'm saying? Something light, something slight. Not to mention the bag came with goodies. They literally gave me a brush. It's like a matte green, but it made the girls feel like a Barbie doll. I'm a Barbie girl. And finish the lyrics. Then they gave me a scarf. They gave me an edge brush because y'all know my edge brushes be hard like concrete. Then they gave us like a little note card, like a little letter, pretty much, saying woo woo woo. It's real cute. They really know how to get the girls with a nice little gift bag. Not even gonna lie. I've already given the girls a full detailed install before, step by step how I do what I do. So I'm just going to give y'all like the real quick rundown. So right here, I'm about to tint the lace, and then I'm finna try, emphasis on try, to pluck this wig. Because y'all done bullied me into it. I'm no wigologist, and I ain't watched no tutorial. So yeah, it's a little janky. Mind your business. After my, somewhat professional attempt to pluck this wig, I went in and, hot combed it, styled it up that way it could look good on the head, and I didn't have to do nothing. Also, I'm tired of burning myself with the curling iron and the hot comb. I'm over it. My head is already scarred up. Okay, now we're getting into like the installation process. You know, the glue, the flat iron. Anya, what? The glue, the blow dryer, the more glue spray. Like I said, if you want a more detailed video on how I install my wigs, girl, that's another video that's already up and running. Go look at that one. Go look at that one.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Okay, so I finished my hair. This is like 2 days later. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Got this wig from Juno? Yeah, Juno hair, and it's soft, and it's 22 inches, and it's body wave hair, so you know it take the girls for the girls, you feel me? Bounce it. Bounce, baby. And you know what's crazy? I don't like closure wigs like that, but this is cute. This is cute. I look good. Okay, all the details for this hair will be in my description, but yeah, that's about wraps this video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to install a closure wig with y'all. Bye.